Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming whether the laptop accepts an internal GPU module or requires an external eGPU enclosure. This determines the path. Once confirmed, power down, unplug, and remove the battery so you avoid shorts, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap. You remove the back panel carefully using the correct screwdriver. Keep screws labeled. Make sure to take photos of connector locations and cable routing so reassembly is straightforward and safe. You now handle the actual GPU installation. If using an MXM card, align the card with the connector at a slight angle, press down evenly, and fasten the retention screws while avoiding over-torque. Apply fresh thermal paste and reattach the heatsink. If using an external enclosure, mount the full-size GPU into the enclosure, connect its power cables, and attach the enclosure to the laptop via Thunderbolt. Make sure fan headers and power pins are seated, and cables are routed without kinks. You finish by configuring firmware and drivers so the system recognizes the new GPU. First, enter BIOS to enable external devices or set PCIe lanes appropriately. Save and reboot. Install the latest vendor drivers and run benchmarks and stress tests to confirm stability and thermals. If things go wrong, reset BIOS to defaults, reseat the card and cables, verify power delivery and enclosure firmware, and consult logs. Make sure temperatures and fan behavior match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.